Guys, it's your boy Ghadi. Today's vlog is special. I'm gonna show you my new talents. What's up guys, it's your boy Ghali, welcome to another episode. No, it's not an episode, welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Oh my god.
Is that even sanitized?
Hell
Ew! No, Ghadi!
He looks so real, like honestly, like look at the face. How do you feel sitting with a YouTuber?
بالله انت يوتيوبر ممكن عارفه. I didn't know.
That's how you met me, you asshole. So guys, you cannot see me because the front camera sucks at night. Let's go back to this guy. He looks good.
This black guy.
Don't be racist.
I'm not racist. I'm black. I can say it.
say the N word.
I know. Public place we can do this.
Embrace it.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Do you feel it, Maddie? Wow. What do you feel, bro?
I feel the love.
It's inside.
Yeah.
I feel the love, I feel the love.
Wow. That's it, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Look at this place. How beautiful is this entrance? Oh my god. Oof. Look at that.
Centuries of what they meant to me. A cemetery where I'm married to see.
Hey! The first and main rule before getting a car is getting it checked. So, car, but we're checking it. That's all I can tell you. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You're driving.
What are you doing?
Go.
This has to go to the garage, by the way.
You don't even have your license. Why are you driving?
I got mine before yours.
No, you didn't. You're illegally driving right now. Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not gonna put it on camera.
Okay, bye.
It's hot, huh? My baby is gonna get serviced. Hush. Here you go. Hi, little one. Little mini. I was keeping a secret from you guys, and now I'm at the airport. I'm going to Lebanon to surprise my parents and some of my friends, because some of them don't know. And it's going to be epic. I want to try to film all the reactions. I'm moving from a 35-degree Celsius to a 5-degree Celsius country. It's literally freezing in Lebanon. It's so hot in Qatar. So this is going to be insane. شو اسألني؟
ليه في عزة على الطريق بس؟ غادي غالي عزة على الطريق مسكر الطريق بس انه غادي غالي ورجع
جايين يشوفوني برو.
ليك العالم ليك
هاي هلا
مرحبا أبي.
Guys, this is my day 2 in Lebanon. I haven't been filming much because I've been living in my sister's place and I've been making the papers for the passport, trying to sell the car. Look at this view in front. How nice is it? The weather, it's cold, but it's cool. Yo. Come on, do my intro.
What's up everybody, it's your boy G.
لا.
لا شو هي؟
Try again.
What's up everyone, it's your boy G, غادي غالي.
No.
بلا.
What's up guys?
What's up guys, it's your boy G, غادي غالي. Back with another vlog.
Welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are enjoying
Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to like.
شو عم تقارن؟
روق لك خبيه. لعلك بزك.
Guys, if you want to see me do live pranks and get deported from one country to another, let me know in the comments. I don't know what the fuck.
What kind of sick shit is this? What the fuck is this?
His hands are cold, don't get me wrong. What are we doing?
We're waiting for 2 hours just to drink, have one drink.
That's the line into the pub. It's a good deal. This is what I miss. This is what I miss the most about Lebanon. Look. The beautiful views, the scene. The weather, I don't mind the hot weather in Qatar. I don't mind that stuff, but the views. So, I'm really excited to go back to Qatar. Not because I don't like my hometown or place or whatever, it's because the situation here is really bad. Really bad. And it's getting worse and worse and worse in terms of electricity, fuel, the government has done everything to this place. Look at this beautiful place and we can't even live in it in peace just because of the government. So, not gonna say much, not gonna talk about this. I'm excited to go back to Qatar to have a stable, secure life, do what I'm doing, continue YouTube, continue working, continue TikToking and going live for you guys, and I love you, thank you all so much. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? We ordered some healthy food for the gains. Sergio. This is a very healthy diet, a very healthy dessert. Guys, this is how you know that my trip is almost over. Camille, you're on a diet?
Diet Pepsi.
He's on a diet Pepsi. You were saying you can't eat anymore, eh? You're in the vlog. You're in the vlog.
Take the cards, shuffle them.
Yeah.
Shuffle. فازة؟ اوكي. بدنا نكبه بالنص بشي محل مفروض. كمان عمل هيك. امتى هالمرة عمل هيك؟ المفروض وين ما كانت ورقتك؟ بس عملت بس بدك تعملها بحنية. بدك تعملها يا عيني عليك هي صارك على طول. كينج دايموند. شيله حطه بالنص انت تفشه باصبعك. اوكي. انت يو بوش اوكي. كمان عمل هيك حنية بس. كمان رجعت العب. اجين. بالنص شيله ونكبه بشي محل بالنص. anyway. كمان بحنية أهم شيء الحنية.
بدك افضحك انا هلا ولا بوقف.
يلا كينج اوف لايف.
جابرو
ما تخليني ضايع.
جابرو
اوكي ما تخليني
هلا افتحه.
ما تخليني ضايع. وينه؟
هون.
انت بايدك تشوف.
اوكي.
God damn it.
You're enjoying the food? You're enjoying the food? How you said yes and you haven't ate yet?
Because I know the taste. The smell. The smell is exquisite.
No. I'm back in Qatar. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.